All right, so 5 times 5, those are both positive. So we have positive times a positive, that's going to equal a positive, so that's just 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So we have a negative times a negative, that equals a positive. So these are same signs, this was same sign. So 1 times 9 is 9, and it's positive because they're same signs. These are same signs as well. We have a negative times a negative equals positive. Think of it as like the two negatives cancel out. And so those two negatives cancel each other and they make it a positive. And so 7 times 8 is 56. And then that's going to be positive because they were same sign. These are different signs. And so that means that we are going to have a positive times a negative, which gives me a negative. And so I know my answer will be negative. 2 times 12 gives me 24. So you know right away, looking at the problem, that your answer will be negative before even doing the math for it, because I see only one negative here. And since I know that that's positive times a negative, it's going to give me a negative. So 4 times 6 is 24. And so that's my answer. On this one, anything times 0 is just 0. We don't need to put a negative in front of 0. That's not a thing. So a negative times 0 is still 0 because anything times 0 is always just 0.